you? No, seriously, who the hell are you? What is your true self? What is the purpose of life? This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let me blow your mind really quick about who you are, because you might say, well, I'm Billy, I'm 6'1", or I'm Jessica, I'm 5'9", and I'm 26 years old, or I'm 52 years old, and here, no. Who you see in the mirror isn't you. That's the garage that houses your true identity. Let's dive right into the video. So for most of my life, if somebody asked me, who are you? I'd say, I'm Jake Ducey. I'm about 6'3", I weigh about 195 pounds. I am 20 something. I look into the mirror and this is who I am. Currently I have long hair, I have blue eyes. You know, I've got a pretty good memory. I'm not that great at math. I'm better at creative things. I'm pretty athletic. I would describe my body. But my body isn't who I am. Your body isn't who you are. If you're not your body, who are you? No, seriously, have you ever asked yourself that question? Have you ever been like, who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Most people are walking around the world so quickly that they believe they're this little body. But if you believe you're your little tiny body, then you're no longer connected to the infinite abundance, the divine intelligence that permeates and penetrates and fills the inner spaces of this entire world, the God force that moves the world. And if you think you're just this little body, you might look at that little body and you might say, I'm too fat to get what I want. You see these rolls? I don't have big enough biceps to make the money I want and move through the corporate world or attract the woman I want. Or you might say, you know, as a woman, I don't have quite the body that other women have, so I'm not gonna attract a guy that truly loves me. And I've never been that great at math or at public speaking, so I can't make that much money. We look to our past and we look at our body and we look at our present life. We look with our eyes and our physical senses to define what it is that we're actually worthy of in life. But your body is a garage. It's a garage for your soul. And what's your soul? Your soul is pure energy, pure consciousness, infinite potentiality. It's infinite potentiality. It can be anything that you want it to be. It's connected to the divine intelligence of all things. The only thing that gets in the way of that is the ego, is the ego that edges God out. Ego, edges God out, edges the perfection of the universe out. That's what Wayne Dyer used to say. And it's true. You're perfect, you're whole, you're worthy. So do you see yourself as just this little body that's got its limitations, that's got its reasons why it's not good enough? No, that's not you. Say it with me. I am perfect and whole the way I was created. Comment it down below. I am perfect and whole the way I was created. I am perfect and whole the way I was created. So being that I'm perfect and whole the way that I'm created, being that you're perfect and whole the way that you're created, being that you're infinite potentiality with the ability to move mountains, to shape the world how you want, to write your own bank account, your love life, the story of your life, your career, your happiness. You're the one with the pen that's writing the story of your life. And so what are you gonna write? Knowing that you're not your doubts, you're not your worries, you're not your fears. What are you gonna write? Today, right now. All that fear, all that doubt, all that worry, all those limitations, all those reasons you thought you weren't good enough, let's leave them behind right now. And if you have trouble with that, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. It's subconscious programming. Your fears and your doubts and your worries, they're not your fault. Psychologists say we have 65,000 thoughts in a day, and 90 to 95% of them are negative and redundant. They're a habitual pattern in our subconscious mind, a habitual thought pattern. Like, do you put your left foot or your right foot through your pants first? What shoe do you put on first? Do you brush your teeth with your right hand or your left hand? Do you floss before you brush your teeth or after? Those are all habits. Why do you do it? Well, it's just a habit. It's a program pattern in the subconscious mind that controls the results of our life. Well, it's all patterned programs that control how much money you attract, what you think about yourself, how happy you are. And that's the beautiful thing, because you can rewrite it at any single second. But remember this, any of those fear, doubts, or worries that you have, those aren't you. Every time you look and you say, here's why I'm not good enough, I'm too flabby, I'm too skinny, I'm too fat, I'm too old, I'm too young, I'm not smart enough, I'm not that good intellectually, I have this problem, I have that. That's not who you are. That's the garage that houses, that's the illusion that houses your true identity. That's formless. It's beyond what you can perceive, quantify, and define with your physical senses. Your infinite potentiality. That's who you truly are. Comment down below, I am perfect and whole as I was created. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com down below, to train your subconscious mind for success, for abundance, for prosperity. You have to brainwash yourself before the world and all of its limitations and illusions and doubts and worries brainwash you. And when you do that, you realize your true identity is perfect and whole and endless, and it's not bound to this physical world, and it's not bound to your past and your perceived failures and limitations. You're so much more. And I am wishing that you carry that truth out into your world today. That you claim what you desire, that you claim what you're worthy of, that you claim what you deserve. You deserve abundance, you deserve love, you deserve people that treat you with respect and love and happiness, and you deserve to send that love, happiness, and respect out. You deserve to share in the abundance of whatever it is that you desire in life, to have what you want. And first, you gotta realize you're not your fear, doubts, and worries. That's not who you are. Who are you really? You're an infinite being, totally worthy, deserving to partake in this abundance of this beautiful world. I'm Jake Ducey, jakeducey.com. Share this video with someone that you think would enjoy it, would love it. Hit the subscribe, the like button, the bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so subscribe, bell notification, like this video to support the channel. Have a beautiful day. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. Comment down below, I'm perfect and whole the way I was created. That's who you are.